Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change email notifications for forms in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and going to your site dashboard. On the left side menu, hover over Customer and Leads. A submenu will appear. From there, click on Forms and Submissions. You will now see a list of all the forms connected to your site. Find the specific form you want to update. Next to that form, click on the More Actions icon, which looks like 3 dots. A drop-down menu will open. From this menu, select Form Notifications. This will take you directly to the Settings tab for that form. Scroll down until you find the section called Notifications and Automations. In this area, you will see an automation labeled New Submission. Click Edit next to it. This will open the automation flow. Here, you can see what happens when someone submits your form. Click on the action called Send an Email. This is where you control who receives the notification. On the left side panel, scroll down and click on Show Additional Settings. Now scroll down again to the section called Recipients. Click on Edit Recipients. You will now be able to choose who should receive the emails. You can select a site collaborator or choose from existing contacts. This is useful if you want to send notifications to a team member or a shared inbox. After selecting the recipients, make sure your changes are saved. Your form will now send email notifications to the updated recipients whenever a new submission is received. Thanks for watching.